Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today the students of Standard 3 are going to present a skit from their textbook. The title of the drama is Who Are You? We hope you will enjoy their performance. Start.
Hello, I am Mohammad Atif. My role is rabbit in this drama. Hello, I am Alishbana. My role is cabbage in this drama. Hello, I am Nashin. My role is carrot in this drama. Hello, I am Myra. My role is big red tomato in this drama. Hello, I am Ikra Fatima. My role is green leafy vegetable in this drama. Hello, I am Alisha. My role is